Hey tubers, yeah, quick video on a Tweetie Bird installing a static D104m6B as in black. So this is your audio wire going to white, green going to transmit, and red goes to 9 volts. Just right on the other side of this, just goes straight through the PC board, goes to the positive. This is the negative side of the capacitor. This is the positive side of the cap. I have a 4.7 picofarad capacitor in there. I like to find a 2.2. That's a 4.7. I hope that helps. If you want the Tweetie Bird to oscillate, all you have to do is hook a switch, momentary switch between here and here on the cap. So basically this red wire will go straight to 9 volts and that will oscillate the chip. This is an old mic made in Ohio, not made in China. It's about 20 years old. These are one of the best sounding microphones. Alright, hope that helps somebody.